Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make this beautiful crochet boo. It's very easy to make and the process is very simple. Only 5 minutes project. So let's start making this project. For making this project, I am using 4 mm crochet hook and 4 ply yarn. So first of all, I will make a slip knot like this. Again, how to make a slip knot: make a circle like this and insert your hook into the circle, yarn over and pull back. It's very easy. Now I will make chain 26. 56 like this. I have completed. I will continue making chain 56 until my number of chain is. I am going to make a slip stitch in the first chain like this. Watch carefully. Again, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull back, pull the recent loop into the previous loop like this. It's very simple. This is called slip stitch. I will do some more. Continue making until the end of this long chain. Here I am going to increase the speed. Now I am at the end of these stitches. Here I have completed all the slip stitches. Now I'm going to cut the yarn. So make a simple knot here like this. Now I will hide these tail after making one more simple knot. Hide this tail by following the process I'm doing, so that the finishing of this mini project will be awesome. Now cut the extra yarn. Now this is the main step for making a bow wonderfully. Watch carefully, twist the two ends of this long strip like this, like a shape of heart, and now make a simple knot like this and like this. Our bow is ready. Now adjust the sides and tails of the bow like this. Then I will repeat the process. It's done. Very simple and easy and very beautiful. You can do it in 3 minutes if you are expert in crocheting, but if you are a beginner you can do it in 6 or 7 minutes. Here I am showing you how to do it one more time. It's very simple. Now I'm going to make a simple knot. Adjust the wings and the tail of this bow like this. Yeah, it's done. Again, it's done. It's very beautiful as you can see. So if you guys are here and watching my video, and if you love my content, don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe if you want more videos like this and simple tips and tricks. Thank you so much for coming. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Yeah.